I was the other day. A little different conditions. Oh, it's so slimy right here. A little trickier to get in right now, but a heck of a lot calmer, a lot less water. Definitely a lot less current, which is nice. But I've had a little bit of rain on the way over here, so I may not get to shoot as much as I'd like. I would love to shoot the whole thing because I have a feeling it's going to be good out there today. But yeah, I'm going to get kind of slimy launching here. It's pretty nasty. But that's part of it, coming in here. It's a little tough launch. Matter of fact, where I'm standing right now is where the water was when I got here the other day. Actually, it was probably right about here. So you can see the difference in where the water was. So hopefully I'll have a little bit better luck today. So we'll give it a shot. Alright, I'm just about at the point of giving up, which I hate to do without a fish, but yeah, me too. I had to ask myself, so what have I learned today? So the first thing I learned is if you're trying to film, catch the fish, then you can turn the cameras on. So look what happened while I was not filming. But don't try to film when you're not ready and you have a fish on the line, especially a decent redfish, because you give them a little bit of slack, they're gone. Good grief. Also learned I'm not a very good paddler. Here, all jacked up. Oh my goodness. That was sad. Oh, there's one. Look at this. Alright. So despite my horrible paddling skills there, I'm going to catch a really nice redfish right here. Oh. Huh. As I was reaching for the net, it came off. Well, at least we got to see that. Let's see, what else did we learn? That Jim's not very good at landing nice redfish. That was an upper slaughter too. Pretty fish. But, hey, at least that gave me a little more confidence that there actually might be a few fish left around here. That's good. Oh, there's one. Look at this. So we've definitely learned some things about Jim today, right? He doesn't do well trying to film and catch fish. That's been readily apparent. When it rains, make sure, especially like in the wintertime, even though it's a nice day today, go ahead and put your rain pants on. Unfortunately, I'm wearing some Columbia shorts and they dry really quickly. So that's good, but man, if that wind had come up a little bit, I'd be freezing. One thing I have done the last couple of trips is for Christmas I got a dry bag, and so I have a change of clothes and I have the rest of my rain gear, my rain pants that are in that. So make sure you put those on. Okay.
Let's see, what else have we learned? That I don't think saltwater fish bite very much in the rain. I don't know if that's true or not. You know, one of the things is, I don't know that I've fished the intercoastal very much when it was raining, but I have fished the beach some. I don't think I've ever caught a saltwater fish in the rain. And I know that's probably just me, but I'm actually convinced they don't bite that well, especially not in here. They don't bite that well. That's what my gut tells me. I don't know what it is, but when I used to bass fish, man, I used to welcome the rain. Felt like they kind of turned on. You know, they got a little less skittish. You know, they got a little more active because of all that activity on the surface with the raindrops hitting. So, you know, kind of feel like saltwater may not be the same. So I'd be curious about anybody else who's watching this video. What has your experience been? Alright, so it's been a tough day today again. But I was kind of my own worst enemy when I did get some bites. I didn't get many today. Got 3 bites, put 1 in the boat. At least we're going to get to see one of them, or we got to see one of them on the video. That was probably an upper slot fish, at least middle of the slot. I'm thinking somewhere between 24 and 26 inches, just judging by what I saw. I may change my mind after I see the video, but that's kind of what it felt like. And I had one little smaller, probably a lower slot, red on earlier today when I wasn't recording. So I did learn, you know, I'm going to need to learn to record more often. But I'm trying to be, you know, kind of sparing because I don't want to have to go through a ton of video. But anyway, beautiful day now. It's rained on me a couple of times. I think that's probably hurt things. I think we got some rain last night. That probably hurt things a little bit. But, you know, here's the thing. It's December 29th. It's about 75 degrees out here. I'm in shorts. Probably don't even need this long sleeve shirt, honestly. I mean, you can't beat that. So, anyway, thanks for watching. One of these days I'm going to show you guys that I really can catch fish. Thanks.